Timu chain this kana emeye munim semetia senye easy eye many bresem na metie eye many bresem na metie me ho afo na emia me ho fifre me se musika na mudi siesie me wie ye na mudi be mu ye ebusiafo Debbie da Timu chain this kana emeye munim semetia senye easy eye many bresem na metie eye many bresem na metie me ho afo na emia me ho fifre me se musika na mudi siesie me wie ye na mudi be mu ye ebusiafo Debbie da
See a bro 10 million. What? Obianco the fear me see a yeni upon men sa hwe coat and time bi o me da hye me rade nyankopon. Ya see a we ko me no na na drobo wo Babylon so mo pepe ni muchi modinti. Mo tina ase mane ka me tin me kon. E dem to am na ase mo de me ko hye bom. Me ti ase na mo bo me John. Na me na fo ye bi no ye frɛ baako yare ye frɛ baako e pom. Me sin nyina tutu hu me abeka se mare bom. Ye busiafo nyina na ye bad and so some. What for man me see care. Was he crossing on mo now share no more Western Union. Rock storm me down my deck and na me hwe bodi. If you be no anya yare bia de kunu na ye we me wu me call me see am I free me kono makwa ko twen ho wait and see
Timu chain this kana emeye munim semetia senye easy
come and wuda
eye many bresem na metie eye many bresem na metie mo afo na emia me ho fifre me se musika na mudi siesie me wie ye na mudi be
When I die, don't spend money on me. When I was alive, family did nothing for me. If I was rich, would you want nothing from me? Always broke when I came to you hungry. Now that I'm dead, how you get all this money? All of a sudden, those start to grow on trees. Big things dress me up like a big king. Money you wouldn't spend on me when I was kicking. The whole fam at my funeral drinking. I'm in a suit in my casket and I'm thinking. I see my uncles unfolding bundles with chief mourners waiting like monkeys in a jungle. And I'm wondering to myself, what the hell is this? Wondering to myself, what kind of world is this? Hey, what can I do? I'm dead and gone, so said and done. What you did, what you do, what you doing is oh so very wrong. It's been my thing, not to involve the fam. Slowly I learned to understand that they don't got me in their plans. Please don't spend money at my funeral dance.
Timu chain this kana emeye munim semetia senye easy eye many bresem na metie eye many bresem na metie me wo fo na emia me ho fifre me se musika na mudi siesie me wie ye na mudi be mu ye